Hello guys, welcome to JT Automobile Specialist and welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'll show you today how to change the headliner in VW Golf Mark 5. I've started video late. First I forgot to make a video, but obviously I've opened one side. I still have to open the other one, so I'll show you what to do and how to do. So before you start anything, you need to open the boot and you need to open it from the back side. If you can see, this is, and that strip I have removed from the back side, and it only have a clips, as you can see. So you need to just push it down and there's no screws at all. So this strip was back up here, all them. So you need to drop down the strip. Then there was two screws on each corner. When you take the strip out, one on this side, one on this side, is 10 mm. I've removed that, and then these back shoulders, they just come off. As you can see, they have two screws, one on this corner, one on this corner. So you unscrew both of them and this will come out, and rest of them, these only have the strips. So this I've done, and besides that I have removed the handle, this side, back and the front, and plus the same in the middle. There was one screws in the middle. Each handle has two screws on the corner, and then you just push this out. It only has a one strip. And if I go on the front, same again, it has one screw here. I removed that, as you can see, and now I'm just, so all of these has this sort of airbag strip. You can remove this with a plastic tool or the metal one. It's completely up to you. And now I'm just gonna slightly push this back, as you can see, and this is the way. So now you have to remove this all up. So make sure before you start doing this, the first major thing you need to do, you need to disconnect the battery. So I have already done that. The reason you have to disconnect the battery, because so you just remove the negative wire. I was telling you the reason, because it could it has a what's called the airbag, as you can see here. So if you don't remove the battery terminal, so your airbag could pop out. So you need to be very careful once you're doing this. So as you can see, so here you go, this has come out nice and easy. And now same process, I'm going to do the other side. So from this side, as you can see, I've done the back one already. So I need to remove this strip. Then I have two air screws here. I'm going to do this. Then I've got this one. So to remove this one, all you can do, you can use this tool, and the plastic tool. You need to push from the top, as you can see here, and you need to pull out nicely. Make sure don't break it, and that's it. And then you can see there's screws behind there. So to remove the screw, you need to have this screwdriver. It has a T25. The reason you need this, because with the socket you won't be able to go through here. So this one, you go through here and you just unscrew it. So once you remove the screws, you need to stop pulling this backwards. Yeah, as you can see, and can you see there's a one latch behind there. So I'm just gonna go on the back door. The back door, same again, you need to put your hand from here, gently you push back, and this comes out. And now there you go, it just come out. And I'm gonna use this tool to remove the strip from here, as you can see, nice. And I'm gonna put this back in here, so I won't lose it this way. Yeah, so this one is done. Now same procedure I have to do it on front one. So to do the front one same, I'm gonna remove this here first, and after same, there's a screws under there. I'm gonna unscrew this one. So once this unscrews, you need to start, remove this. There you go. you need to start pushing backwards and it will come out nicely. As you can see, there you go, it pop up. And there's a one lock on this corner, so I'm going to push this open. Same, this comes out. So once you've done that, now I'm going to remove this sun visor. Same, it has a one screw in here. So it has a smaller one. So once you remove the screw from a sun visor, you need to push it down. As you can see, it has just one corner. Pull it down this way, it will come out. And with these, we just unscrewed this, and same again, you need to pull it down and it comes out. And so once you remove all these screws up here, and now I removed this one. So to remove this one, as you can see, it has two clips on the top side. So same again, I use my plastic tool. I removed them two clips from here and just come out. So now as you see, there's two screws down here. So now I'm gonna remove them two screws. Same this one. Okay, so after that I've just removed this headlight. As you can see, there was two screws on each corner. Sorry, I forgot to make a video of this section. And then I just remove this connector. And after, we've got two screws here and you're free to go. So once you remove them screws, you need to push this downwards and this automatically comes off. So when this comes off, so you have to remove this sun visor connector from each side, and your sun visor is free to come out. And that's the only thing that, so when you remove the sun visor connector, you have to push this outside and it comes out. And as you can see, the most of the part I have done. So now there's a light on, so I have to remove this as well. So if we come up on the back side now, so this is almost free, as you can see. So now I'm gonna remove this from the back, where I would say that'll be a lot more easier. Yes, so you need to just push this back, and as you can see, it starts coming out. So yeah, everything is free, and I'm just gonna take this out now. So as you can see, I've just removed this out. The reason I removed it, because there was a leak on a antenna. So antenna I have already replaced before, and because of that the water was going into the roof and the roof was coming off. So I'm just going to replace this roof, and while it's off, as you can see, there's airbags all around the corner, all the way front and back for the safety in this car. So I'll show you the roof. I'll just remove. So this is in here. Can you see the stains? So that's where the water used to drip into the car, and now I'm just gonna change this and fit back in. So this is the new roof which I'm going to install now. As you can see, I'm just going to do a black color on the top, and it's exactly the same way. We're gonna start from the top first, front side first, and I've changed all the lights and everything. So make sure when you change the lights, you need to do the connections and everything. So before to hang these lights up, I'm gonna put a sun visors clips on, because there's electric connection, and if I don't do it now, I won't be able to do it later on. So to do the electric connection, actually it's gonna be hard for me to make a video on the same time, but I'll show you how to do it. So I'm just gonna do it from here. That's the electric connection on the top, and click in. So okay, instead of putting the sun visor first, and what I did, I removed this clip right from here. So this clip, it has two metal clips on here and two on this side. So you need to press it down from the top side first, and then you need to press it down from the bottom side, and this clip will come off. So the benefit of this is, now I'm going to fit all the sun visor first before to put the roof back on, and then this is just click in. As you can see, this in here, and after that I'll click in the same way. As you can see, clip here. I'm going to remove the clip now. It's hard for me to make a video at the same time because you need it both hands. So I thought, okay, I'll just show you. So this is how I fit this in right with the roof. So it will be easier for me to stick the roof on the top now. As you can see, it's fitted. So I'm going to show you the other side now, how to do it. So it's very simple. As you can see, the latch. So I'm going to start this from here first, right up here, and then you need to push this in here, and now this up here, as you can see, and then this will come up on the top. So as you can see, I'm tightening this up. Yeah. So yeah, the metal clips hold this wire, and also this hold the clip. So this is fully tight now. So that light I'm going to fit when I'm gonna fix the roof first, and after that I'll fit the light in. And yeah, it was pretty much easier. So I'm gonna put this back on now. So when you start putting the roof back on, so you have to make sure you plug. So this is going to be on the top of the light, as I removed the light earlier on. So 2 screws on these corners, so make sure that should go into them holes, and everything should be on its place. Same on the back side. So yeah, it's pretty much easier. So I'm just gonna lock up from the front first, and then I'll do the back. Really lock up. So just nice and easy. So once you push the roof, make sure the clip for the sun visor, that one, that should go straight into its place, and because that holds up the roof. So that, as you can see, the front bit has gone inside proper. And this one's a little bit need more push. So after fitting from the front side, now I'm going to lift up from the back side, and then I'll start tightening up the screw one by one, as you can see. So you need to hold from both corners. So from this side I've done this middle arm, this is from the right side, and I've done this back pillar from the right side. I haven't done the screws yet, I've just fit them in. So as same the way I took it off. So from the top side you need to put it first, and then bottom. This is same from the bottom side, you need to do the first, and then from the top. I'm going to do the same the other side. Now it's this side, so as you can see, this I should go right in the middle here, and you have to put it from the top first, and then from the bottom side. So it's very easy. So yeah, make sure the clip should go straight in. So I'm gonna go to the other side. Yes, I will line this up in here. So make sure it should be all lined up. This bit, as you can see, everything is lined up nice and easy. So I'm gonna screw at the end to every single bit, and the black one looks nice though, black and white. And I'm gonna do this back pillar now. So to do a back pillar again, we have to do these clicks, bottom into them clips first, and then from the top side. Okay, the back side has been done. As you can see, I've sealed up from the back side, both sides, nice and easy. And after putting them pillars on, I put the strips back on, which is just click in. So middle one I have already done it, and after that I did the front. As you can see, this is everything is back on space, and at the end I put every single handle on the top, all 4 of them. And so this is almost finished, as you can see. So it looks very nice. So let me know in the comment section if you guys like this video and if you like my job. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.